All right, let's do today's knot. This is the fisherman's bend or the anchor bend. And before you give me trouble, yes, this is normally tied through a ring. Think of the ring on the end of an anchor. But for our purposes, this will work fine. This is basically that round turn with two half hitches with a little bit of variation. We're going to go around. This creates our round turn. But we're going to leave a little gap here, right? This being our standing part right here. That's the long part of the line we're not going to be working with. We're going to come around. Then we're going to go under the standing part. And then see I left this loop open a little bit. We're going to go right back through that hole I left with my finger. And we're going to tighten this up a little bit. There's our first half hitch. And here's our second half hitch. Like I said, this is a variation on the round turn of two half hitches. And the whole idea of this knot is to make it more secure in slippery situations like underwater on an anchor. So, there we have it. Let's do that one more time. We have our line, standing part here. We're going to go around, and again, making our round turn. We're going to pass behind the standing part of the line, and back through that loop, the round turn itself. This is making our first half hitch. Then the second half hitch comes like this. Then we're going to tighten and dress the knot. And there you have it. The fisherman's bend, or the anchor bend. And if you look at old sailing books, talking about rigging and so on and so forth, they always talked about bending a line to something, and they were generally talking about a ring. And there you have it. Have a nice day.